have a video on how to make a bootable flash drive using a flash drive and an ISO file. But if you're a Windows 10 user, it's actually a little bit more simple because Microsoft actually makes their own program to make a bootable drive, which is awesome. So let's talk about how you guys can do that today. So the first step, once again, just like the ISO file, is you do need a flash drive. Or you can also do this with a disk, but I mean, who does this with a disk? So just get a flash drive, at least 4 gigabytes, and we'll go ahead and format it kind of like I did in the ISO video. Just go ahead and plug in your flash drive. If it's USB 3.0, plug it in the USB 3.0 port and it'll run faster. But we'll go to computer, right click on our flash drive, and then crap, I just ejected it. We need to format it, not eject it. All right, right click on it, format, and then just format. Just make it NTFS, just don't even change the settings because it'll format it once again whenever it does the bootable drive. So it's not necessarily necessary, but I just kind of do it. So now we got a clean drive and we can go ahead and go over to Chrome. I believe I already have, all right, yep. So this is a website that you download the media creation tool from. So it's Windows 10 only, I believe. There might be some versions that work with 8, but I know it works. This one works with Windows 10, for example. So if you guys see this link up here, I'll go ahead and try to put this in the description, but if I forget, it's right there so that you guys can actually see it. Just go ahead and download the tool, which I already have downloaded. It's like 36 megabytes, I believe. And then just go ahead and open that up. So we'll go back to the to the desktop, open that up, and here is the program right here after it loads up. So of course, accept it. Don't even read it because I don't know. You probably should read this, but I'm not going to. So accept that, and we'll get to the setup. So you can upgrade this PC now, but that's really not what we're doing right now. Go ahead and create installation media for another PC. So of course, if you're doing this, if you're having issues with Windows and you need to reinstall it, then you need to do this on a different Windows 10 computer. Or actually, you could. I'm pretty sure this program works on Windows 7, so you can do it on Windows 7 and then do it for a Windows 10 PC. But so yeah, it's gonna go ahead and tell you the specs that it's gonna go ahead and match it up to the computer if it is running Windows 10. You can click on this box and you can pick whatever you want. So we can pick Windows 10 N, which I'm not totally sure exactly what that is, but we'll go ahead and just do Windows 10 right there. We'll do 64-bit and then of course English and make a bootable flash drive. So we wanted to go ahead and put it on the flash drive. You could also just download the ISO file and then use an ISO to USB application to make it a bootable drive. But the nice thing about this program is it just does it itself. So you just pick a flash drive. We'll go ahead and pick we want to pick N, because that's the one I'm choosing. So if you're not exactly sure what drive you're using for this, just go over to my computer and then find the drive you're doing. Mine's N, so we'll go ahead and pick the N drive and make that into a bootable drive. So it's going to download Windows, and then I'm pretty sure it installs it all at the same process. So it's pretty streamlined. And our flash drive is ready. Woo! So yeah, that's way easier than, I mean, you can do this in the technique that probably came out the day before this video, which is just to download an ISO from a website and then to make a bootable drive. But this basically does that all in one step, which is awesome, but it only does it to Windows 10 and possibly Windows 8 if you can find that program. So now we're done, and it just needs to clean up apparently. But yeah, now we have a flash drive. If we go to this PC, then we look at our flash drive. It's a bootable drive, so very cool stuff. We can click setup if you want to just set it up on the same copy of Windows that you're already on. But I prefer to install Windows by just booting it to the drive, which is kind of easier, and it just gives you a nice fresh install of Windows. So we'll go ahead and do that in the video that will probably come out the day after this video. So if you guys want to see that and you're not sure how to boot from the flash drive instead of the hard drive inside your computer, then watch out for that video. But if you guys have any questions about this process, leave those down in the comment section below, and subscribe to the channel if you guys like how-to videos and if you like learning how to do this cool stuff. And beyond that, like the video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.